We've always respected water through our feasts and through our celebrations. When we have our feast, we give thanks to our foods for coming back, and water is part of that. So at the end of our service, or end of our prayers, we say "Chush," because that's our water. We're thankful that all of our resources have come back.
The tribes have introduced salmon back into the Walla Walla because of the water we're putting back. We now have salmon that will be returning to the Walla Walla system. It's very monumental because the river had been dry for 100 years until the year 2001. So we're pretty proud of that we were able to put some of our water back in for the salmon and the steelhead and the bull trout.
What's great about the salmon is they engender a gift culture, because they give themselves to us. They make that long journey out to the ocean and come back. We don't have to do a thing. They give themselves to us. So it's only right that we do something back for them.
The partnerships that we've developed here in the Walla Walla Basin have included bringing to the table the Native American tribes, the environmentalists, the irrigators, and the local governments. In my job with Walla Walla County as the Watershed Planning Director, one of the biggest responsibilities have been to try to pull in the various entities and maintain an open communication, and also identify ways that we can work together, overcoming the jurisdictional boundaries, overcoming the challenges that we face within our own systems. These are the types of solutions that have provided us with more efficient water use, opportunities for conservation, and it affects a broad public.
And we knew a long time ago we couldn't do it alone, so when local people stepped forward up and said, you know, we're going to make this a success and we're planning for future generations, that's what's made it a success, because we're planning for the future and we're listening and respecting each other's opinions and working towards solutions.